Okay guys, so we're gonna make a short here. Nasdaq is over bought completely. See a high volume candle here, and you see red is sellers pushing price down on the reversal bar. Okay, let's give it some room. Lots of selling in the NQ.
Short signal NQ.
Okay, there goes the NQ. Okay, first target hit. We see high frequency trading triangles here. 6 prints in the same second, so this is unusual activity.
Short signal ES.
Okay, second target hit. Okay, let's see guys if this gets filled. Okay, third target hit. Market is gonna go down right now. I think so. Lots of selling, guys. I didn't get this long here, but you can see market. This is what I was explaining you guys yesterday. Okay, so
Short signal ES.
the market just stalled here in the ATR. Okay, remember the penetration of the ATR, but it made a box. It stalled. Okay, market went down. Correlate. I mean the visual imbalance to the downside. Short got to the
Short
first
signal
ATR,
ES.
as you can see here. Look at the ATR. It tagged it to the tick, guys. Then buyers got it here. We see trap traders, 2,300 contracts in the ES. So that's a lot of contracts. Then they decided to push it up. Okay, so we are waiting. We were waiting for the break of the ATR, so nothing happened. As you can see, market stalled here, didn't do anything. Then they broke here. As you can see over here in the NQ, it was a break of the ATR2. I couldn't take this trade, so it would have been a very, very nice trade here. As you can see here, let's see, copy, paste. Breakout was completely nice breakout, but it was very quick. So as you can see, the Nasdaq broke the ATR here again. Okay, so you can place a limit order on the ES. Okay, but as Powell is gonna speak right now, you don't want to be caught in that action. So I will just leave it for today, for that way, guys. So it's more than enough. So thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. As you can see, the ATR, guys. I always tell you about the ATR. It's always the same thing. Always the same thing. Okay, got filled. Lots of selling, guys.
Order canceled. Brick setup.
Okay, guys, got some hit here, but as expected, the Nasdaq was gonna hit the over here the ATR.
Brick
Okay,
setup.
once you have the confidence, guys, you can wait a little bit. Okay, we got filled again with another 3 contracts. It's a quick trade. We see for some follow through, sellers piling in again. Once you develop the confidence, guys, on working with the ATRs, you're gonna just know that the Nasdaq is the leader in everything. So everything follows the Nasdaq.
Short signal and Q.
We go 200 contract short. Okay, only 2
Short
contracts to
signal
go.
and Q.
Okay, guys, I
Brick,
think I'm gonna exit this trade.
brick setup. Order canceled.
Okay, it's 50 minute, so market is gonna go crazy right now. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.